name is Shweta. What is your father name? My father name is Kalachari. What is your mother name? My mother name is Aisha. How old are you? I am 6 years old. Who is your best friend? My best friend is. What is your name? My name is Adiba. What is your father's name? My father's name is Samuel. What is your mother name? My mother name is Bakul. What is your name? My name is Saida Fatima. What is your mother name? My mother name is Ustuma. What is your grandmother name? My grandmother name is Asma. Who is your class teacher? My class teacher is Damsa. What is today? Today is Thursday. What is your name? My name is Anita. What is your father name? My father name is Muhammad Isar. What is your mother name? My mother name is Begum Mia. Where do you live? I live in Nagpara. Who is your best friend? My best friend is Fatima. What day is tomorrow? Tomorrow is Friday. What is your father name? My father name is Fatima. What is your mother name? My mother name is Muhammad. How are you? I am fine. What is your name? My name is Mohammed Asad. What is your father name? My father name is Shafiq Ahmad. What is your mother name? My mother name is Aisha. What is today? What is your name? My name is Ahmed. What is your father name? My father name is Asad. What is your mother name? My mother